In this video, I'll show you how to use MCP servers with Claude Code. First, make sure you have Claude Code installed on your computer and that you can open it from your terminal. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, allows Claude Code to connect to external tools, APIs, databases, and other services through MCP servers. Now, open your terminal and add an MCP server using the Claude MCP add command. For example, enter the server name and the command or URL provided by the MCP server's documentation. Claude Code supports both local STIO servers and remote HTTP servers. Next, verify that the server was added successfully by running Claude MCP list. You should see your new MCP server in the list of configured servers. After that, start a new Claude Code session. Claude Code will automatically load the available MCP server and its tools. You can check the connection status at any time by typing /MCP inside Claude Code. Now, simply ask Claude Code to perform a task that uses the connected tool. For example, you can ask it to read data from a database, interact with GitHub, access an issue tracker, or use another service provided by your MCP server. Claude Code will call the appropriate MCP tool automatically whenever it's needed. Finally, if you no longer need an MCP server, remove it by running Claude MCP remove followed by the server name. You can also use Claude MCP get to view details about a specific server whenever you need to check its configuration. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use MCP servers with Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.